Jinchun Tea Oil Workshop has its own contracted farms. They ensure full control over the entire process, guaranteeing top quality tea oil. By blending traditional craftsmanship with modern techniques, they create premium tea oil products. Through various activities, they also promote the rich culture of tea oil, making it an ideal place to explore Hakka tea oil traditions. Well, I'm pretty high up here.
Yes, you are.
What are we looking at now?
Well, these trees are tea oil camellias. They're over 40 years old and native to Taiwan. The fruits of this variety are smaller.
Oh, a native variety.
Yes, totally.
They're beautiful. It's a bit red.
Exactly. The trunk has a reddish tone.
Interesting.
And right now, it's late in the fruiting season, but you can still see a few fruits on the tree. Did you see these tiny round ones?
Oh, you mean this?
Yes, they've dried up on the tree.
So they're not good for harvest?
Oh, no, on the contrary, they're the best. When they dry naturally, they're in perfect condition.
Really?
Yes.
I thought fresh ones were better.
No, the dried ones are ideal. Look up there. You can also spot some fresh ones. See the green ones with a reddish peel?
Oh, this one?
Yes, but be very careful.
Okay.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, it looks so different.
Yes.
I noticed there are so many ants.
Yes, there are a lot of insects. You can even find ant nests, spiders.
Oh, look, there's one spider.
Yes.
Oh, it's moving. You want me to help harvest the rest?
Why not?
No wasting them.
Well, I've got myself a free worker.
Experiencing the harvest firsthand, bending over, reaching between branches, feeling the weight of each seed, I started to understand how precious this land is. Hey, I'm done.
Wow, thank you for your hard work.
Look, I'm so excited. I gathered so many seeds. It's quite a lot.
Wow, let's take a look.
Sure.
Are you sure that's a lot? Just kidding, you did great.
But wait, how do you have so many?
Well, it's the end of the fruiting season, but you still found plenty. So good job.
But you have way more than I do. I was up there fighting mosquitoes.
I know, but you still did an amazing job. See all these different tea oil seeds we've got here?
So what I just picked was this variety, right?
Exactly. These smaller fruits that you picked belong to a type called mountain tea oil camellia, while in Sanwan, you'll more often see this larger variety. The size difference is huge, and different seeds produce different oils. That's why we have so many tea oil products.
But are they all from the same type of tree?
No, there are different varieties.
Oh.
Just like how tomatoes come in different sizes.
Oh, yes.
So tea oil trees also have different varieties that produce different sized fruits.
Do they all get harvested once a year?
Yes, once a year. That's why they're so precious. Well, look at this one. It has a special triangular shape. It's like certain oolong and green tea plants that grow shorter.
There are 3 seeds per fruit.
Yes.
It looks like 3 of the smaller ones stuck together.
No. They're actually very different.
Oh.
They're all tea oil seeds, but then again, they're from different varieties. Many towns in Taiwan produce tea oil, but each of it has its own unique taste.
Okay.
I'd recommend this variety if you want to drink the oil on an empty stomach in the morning. It's really good. Well, this one has a taste similar to olive oil.
You mean we can drink the oil directly? Am I getting you right?
Yes, that's exactly what I mean. This selection, made from the larger fruits you just saw, has a nutty aroma. It's perfect for high heat cooking and baking. So basically, for baking purposes, I'd recommend this one.
I see different labels on the bottles. This one says Camellia tenuifolia oil.
Exactly.
Is it still a kind of bitter tea oil?
Oh, it is.
Then why are they labeled differently?
Well, some bottles say Camellia oleifera oil, some say Camellia tenuifolia oil, and some just say tea seed oil. It's because of the plant variety, but in Taiwan, people often call it bitter tea oil. In the past, filtering technology wasn't as advanced, so more seed residue was left in the oil. That made it taste a bit bitter. Over time, people just started calling it bitter tea oil, but basically they're all camellia seed oil. Camellia seed oil is its official name.
Oh, no, I get it.
Good, good.
But bitter tea oil sounds more familiar and local to me. So bitter tea oil is actually camellia oil. It's a shame it's not the peak season, otherwise I'd be able to pick a whole basket of seeds. The favorable environment here nurtures high-quality camellia seeds, which is rich in nutrients. But how exactly do these tiny seeds turn into oil?
Watch out, there are many oil bottles around.
Got it. Wow, it's spacious.
It is. Well, let me show you our oil extracting machine. Here is where we store the seeds. Once they're fully dried, they're moved here and stocked here.
Oh.
And then we pour the seeds into the machine from here. Watch out, it's very hot on your right. Don't touch it. The seeds go through a baking process in there, and then they're transferred here for oil extraction.
From sun drying, baking, pressing to filtering, every step requires precision and care. No wonder people here take such pride in their bitter tea oil. This town is incredibly beautiful. Visiting Sanwan this time, I had so much fun. It's truly an unforgettable experience. I also learned a lot. For example, I had never seen Indian gooseberries before, and the tangerines here, I promise you, they're incredibly sweet and delicious. There are also many local agricultural products like camellia oil, tea, and suan cai. I love it a lot. It's such an authentic Hakka delicacy. During my time in Sanwan, I met many Hakka people. They were so warm and welcoming. Their kindness really touched me, and I deeply appreciate it. I highly recommend visiting Sanwan if you ever get the chance. You won't regret it. I'm Woo-Yang, and this is Linking 368 Taiwan. Which town will we visit next? See you next time!
志，因讲台湾是一条汉字，路途西经，充满生命力。我的决心，让台台严密，过去现在，和未来无限。台湾发展，全世界倾斜，勇敢热情，脚步毋捌停。伫汪洋中，要有向未来。华丽转身，华丽转身，咱做伙华丽转身。伫汉字啊，心手相连下，拼出一片台湾。坚强勇气，坚强勇气，咱斗阵坚强勇气。成为一尾坚强有活力的台湾。